To start, you'll need 4 pork chops, about an inch thick each, 1 packet of dry onion soup mix, 2 cups of chicken broth, and if you're feeling a little fancy, some fresh herbs like thyme or parsley for garnish. Before anything else, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is getting ready, arrange your pork chops in a single layer in a large baking dish. This will ensure they cook evenly and soak up all the savory goodness. Next, grab a bowl and combine the dry onion soup mix with the chicken broth. Stir this concoction well to blend the mixture. Once your mixture is ready, pour it over the pork chops, making sure they are well coated. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and place it in the preheated oven. Let it bake for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until the pork chops are tender and cooked through. Once your pork chops are cooked to perfection, remove them from the oven and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. To add a touch of color and freshness, garnish with fresh herbs if desired. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.